Thank you for being with us this Friday. Thanksgiving now less than 2 weeks away. You know, once that happens, Christmas will be right on its heels. And how celebrations look this year will certainly be different than they were pre-pandemic, obviously, but just how different from last year as far as those safety protocols?
Yeah, what you're talking about is a question that has our local health leaders closely monitoring those COVID-19 trends here in the Coastal Bend. A look at what they're saying in our top story at 10.
Dr. Chris Bird says it's still a bit early to say for sure, but so far the Coastal Bend is following a similar trend as last year. A drop in cases after the summer and then a small increase going into the holiday season. He says unfortunately there haven't been enough vaccinations to avoid another major spike like what we saw in the summer, and now the focus is keeping an eye out for other variants that could potentially increase cases at an already vulnerable time of year.
So that's at least good news, and that we've been dealing with the same variant now. Hopefully that means that the increase that we'll see going into the winter season won't be as big as it was last year.
According to Dr. Bird, even if you've already had the virus, you're still 4 times more susceptible to it if you're unvaccinated. So he advises the best thing you can do to protect yourself this holiday season is go ahead and book the appointment and get the vaccine.
And we've got an update tonight on how many children have been vaccinated against the virus. City County health leader sharing with 3 News that over 700 kids ages 5 to 11 have gotten the shot since last Wednesday when it became available.
Dr. Kim Onyufrag says that we are still hovering at around 64% for total vaccinations, and she's hopeful that adding in this newest group will help push us a bit closer to herd immunity.
We saw with the Delta variant, a lot of the kids were getting infected, and sometimes they can bring it home and get other family members infected as well. So we're hoping that with the pediatric rollout, we'll get closer to 70%.
Yeah, if you'd like to get your child vaccinated, you can stop by La Palmera Mall or any of the other vaccination clinics that are set up around town. And we do have a full list of those on our website, KIIITV.com.